Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on OnePlus Nord 3. So start by opening Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and enter Edge. And click search. And now click install. Now you can click open. You can click skip introduction. Here you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in with your account to sync your data, or you can click not now. Here you can make your Microsoft Edge your default browser, or you can click not now. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings by clicking confirm. And now your Microsoft Edge is set up, and here it asks you if you want to import your browsing data from Google, but you can click not now. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe.